In this guide, we'll walk through FitX GridX Connect's AI-powered fitment optimizer. FitX automatically detects which vehicles your parts fit and applies compatibility data directly to your eBay listings, improving visibility and buyer confidence. You will learn how to process, approve, and apply fitments to streamline your workflow. Click the FitX module to begin managing your pending items. Click the Pending section to view all pending fitment requests. Click the On toggle to select and activate the required items. Select the required items that need fitment compatibility enhancement. Select, 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 select. After selecting the required items that need fitment compatibility enhancement, now go up. Click Process. The AI extracts fitment data for each part, matching it to compatible vehicles based on year, make, model, and engine. Click the Ready section to view the items that have processed the fitment compatibility by FitX and are ready for the next step. These are your newly processed items in the Ready tab. Fitments have been extracted and are waiting for your approval before being applied to your live eBay listings. Click the Issues tab to review items that encountered problems during fitment processing, such as missing part data or items where no compatible vehicles were found. Click the Info icon to see exactly why this item was flagged, along with details on how to resolve it. Now close and go back. Now return to the Ready tab. Click here to expand the available actions for this item, including preview, approve, or reject the proposed fitments. Once you've reviewed the fitments and everything looks good, click Approve Fitments to confirm and move them forward for eBay publishing. Now click Apply to eBay to push the approved fitments directly to your live eBay listings, making your parts searchable by vehicle for buyers. Click Push to view all items whose fitments have been successfully applied to your live eBay listings. Your parts are now discoverable by vehicle make, model, and year on eBay. You've successfully processed, reviewed, and applied vehicle fitments to your eBay listings using Fit. Your parts are now fully optimized for vehicle-based search, helping buyers find the right fit faster. Keep an eye on the Issues tab and resync regularly to stay on top of new inventory. That's how you use FitX in GridX Connect, from scanning your inventory to pushing accurate vehicle compatibility data to eBay in just a few clicks. Better fitments mean better visibility, more buyer confidence, and more sales. Happy listing!